class, today we're on notes 5-8, variables on both sides, VBS, with CLT, which is combining like terms, and this is a continuation of the lesson from last class, and I'm on page 22 in your binder. So remember, anytime that we're solving these types of problems, we need to be doing combining like terms first. So we're going to do our CLT, and then we're going to do VBS. So CLT is first, and then VBS is second to get our variables on the right side. And remember, we move our letters to the left. Okay, so when we're doing our variables on both sides, we always take our letters to the left. Alright, if we look at the first one, we'll just do a few examples together before you start independent practice. Remember, we're doing an equation, so we're going to draw our line down the middle. We ask ourselves, do I have any combining like terms on the first side? I cannot combine the 8n with the positive 12, so I don't have any combining like terms on the first side. But if I look at the second side, I have the 14, the positive 14, and the positive 16 that are constants that I could combine. And then I also have this positive 27n. Now remember, when we combine like terms, we like to have the letters first. So let's rewrite it. So I'm going to rewrite the first side that we're not going to change. And I'm going to rewrite the second side with the letters first. So I'm going to put the 27n and then do my constants, plus 14 plus 16. And then I can combine my like terms. So I have a positive 14 and a positive 16 and a positive 27n. The first side is going to stay the same, 18n plus 12 equals 27n will stay the same, and then positive 14 plus 16 is going to give me a positive 30. I'm then going to do my variables on both sides and get my letters to the left. So I have letters on the right hand side here, so I need to move it. I'm going to subtract 27n from both sides. Cancels here. 18 minus 27n gives me negative 9n plus 12 is equal to positive 30. And now I just have a two-step equation. I'm going to get rid of the constant first, so minus 12 on both sides. I have negative 9n left is equal to 30 minus 12 is going to give you 18. Yep, 18 divided by negative 9. And I'm left with n is going to equal negative 2 for my final answer for that one. Remember, these spaces are kind of small, so if you do want to use line paper and you can space out your work, go ahead and get some line paper so you can write your work down. Alright, and let's do one more example together. So if you look at number 2, it's an equation, so I'm going to draw the line down the middle. Do I have any combining like terms on the first side? And I do. I have a negative n and a negative 7n, and then I have a positive 36. So I'm going to rearrange it so my letters are first. So I'm going to negative 1n goes first, minus 7n plus 36 equals, and I'm just going to recopy the second side, 7n minus 9, because I don't have any combining that I can do on that side. Combine here, negative 1n minus 7n gives me negative 8n plus 36 is equal to, and just recopy, 7n minus 9. Now that I've solved that, I need to get my letters to the left and do my variables on both sides. So I'm going to move the 7n, oops, not plus 7n, the opposite of positive 7n is minus 7n. Minus 7n cancels here. Negative 8n minus 7n gives us negative 15n plus 36 is equal to negative 9. That's all that's left over here. Then I get my constant and I move it, because this is just a regular equation now. Minus 36, minus 36. I have now negative 15, n equals, and negative 9 minus 36 gives me negative 45. Divide by negative 15 on both sides to get it away from the n, and I'm left with n equals 3. Okay, so there's your quick review of how to do variables on both sides with combining like terms. Go ahead and finish solving the rest of page 22, and you can start working on page 23. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll be around to check your work.